Hello my name is มนุพัฒน์กินร้อง
My name is อดิเทพศรีภูล
My name is พานุพงษ์วรุญยักษ์
And my name Nachia Ratloy. Good morning teacher and my friend. Today we are presenting about asking illness. Let's enjoy my presenting.
What the matter?
I have got a cough.
I think you should take cough syrup.
Okay, thank you.
Get well soon. Bye bye.
Thank you for your attention.